Hello there, I'm here to post an honest review of the high quality tempered glass screen protector by Magic John. So this is how the packaging came in, but please note, the packaging may vary depending on where you're located. And this is what's inside. They always provide a couple. This is the scraper to get the small bubbles, the installation kits, and this is the QR code. If you scan this QR code using your phone, it will lead you to the installation video that you can follow along as you do the installation. But mind you, it's really easy. I only did it once, and for the rest of the phones for my children, I was able to install it without the installation guide. Okay, so here's the installation kit. There's quite a few things inside, like a cleaning material before you can do the actual install. Some cleaning cloth in here, and that's the second installation kit. And this is the actual screen protector, and this blue frame right here, this blue thing right here, is the actual guide that sits on top of your phone so that you can do the installation easily. And it's only like 3 steps. So let's start the installation guide. I might speed up some videos in here so not to bore you with the installation process. So I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, and make sure you turn off your device before doing the installation. So let's open up the installation kit. There's a cleaning cloth right there. This is the dust removal sticker, just to remove the dust after you clean it. And this is the wet wipes, and this is where we're going to start. This is the process that they don't really require you to do, but the fact that they will give you some cleaning materials before you do the installation is a plus. So I would suggest that you do this before you do the installation, just to make sure that the installation of your screen will be completely bubble free. Now, if we look at the installation guide, you will see that there's like an arrow right there on the top. Now, when you're setting this installer on the top of your phone, make sure that the arrow side sits on the top of your phone, not on the side where the charging port is. And make sure it's secured. And the installation is simply just 3 steps. And this is how it works. 1, you pull the tab, slide your finger to start the installation of the screen, and pull the tab. And you can see that the screen starts to install itself. And just allow it to just go through the whole process. Now, when removing this blue thing right here, you don't just lift it up. You put it right, you pull it at the bottom to take out this blue plastic. And just let the screen install itself. Sits on top of your screen. And when everything is done, just pull that plastic laminate on top. But we said it's bubble free, but you can see 2 bubbles, right? Now, here's the way to remove the bubbles. Just pry the corners, at least the corner that is close to the bubble, until all those bubbles are done, and slide your fingers around the phone and the screen protector. Now, if you see small bubbles, this is where the scraper comes in. You can push the bubbles on the side just to remove all those small bubbles. And that's why this screen protector is bubble free. And I've installed quite a few of this because for my wife and my children, and I can tell you, I am very satisfied. So get yours today. This is the Magic John screen protector. It's high quality, scratch free. So get yours today. Thanks guys for watching.